I'm making this video because I'm returning the equipment to Piegen Freight 2838469. We come along with 3 months and didn't work out. This interior I clean up. Now today's day is here on their own computer. I should have day somebody. Let's get my logbook here. So today's day on the logbook is Saturday 11/2021, and this logbook belongs to myself, and the truck number is 258, and I'm just clean up the equipment, returning the equipment like clean, acceptable conditions, interior, and we do another video when we get there at the yard. And I will state my name. My name is Geraldo Carlos D.A. Fonseca Jr. Today is 6/9/2022. Return the equipment 258 to Piegen Freight, which they hold my scroll and maintenance account, which I really need to get back that to me. All right.